So in this lesson, we're going to talk about long-term trading. It can also be referenced as swing trading. And I just wanted to say that this is going to be a little bit of an introduction to long-term trading and swing trading, just so you can, again, start thinking about your personality as a trader, your trading style, right? But later in MasterClass, once we go through the strategies, the management techniques, and so on, I'm going to jump on the charts. I'll actually show you what swing trading actually is, what it looks like, because at that point, you'll have a little bit more of an understanding of the strategies and how to apply them to the charts, right? So for now, I just want to mention what swing trading is, what long-term trading is, just so you can kind of think about where you are in life, in your career, in your business, and so on, and see if swing trading is something that you would actually be interested in, or if you would actually prefer to focus on day trading instead, right, as you go through the strategies. So as you go through the strategies, if you do want to be a swing trader, keep that in mind. But this is what swing trading is. Swing trading is longer term of an approach. It's long-term trading. It's not investing, right? But it's not also short-term trading. Swing trading is when you hold a position, in my opinion, for over a week, right? It can last from a week to a few months, maybe even 3 months kind of thing, right? Sometimes even a year, but I would even consider that more of an active investing of an approach when you start pushing past 3 months and so on. It's more of an investment, right? So swing trading is, in my opinion at least, it's more from 1 week to 3 months, where you will be holding a position for that long. You're mainly focusing on the higher time frames as well. You're focusing on the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and the daily time frame. That's about it, right? You might be executing on a lower time frame, actually waiting for the entry to happen, but your main analysis, your main approach is actually from the monthly, the weekly, and the daily chart. So you're doing your multi-time frame analysis on these higher time frames and then waiting for these setups to develop. As a swing trader, as a long-term trader, some of these trades might take a couple weeks to develop. Sometimes you might be waiting for a setup for a month to develop, maybe even 2 months to develop. But then once they occur, they're really good setup because there's so much confluence on the higher time frames from multi-time frame analysis point of view, right? And then once you execute, you might be holding that trade again for a week, 2 weeks, a month, maybe even 3 months. So who is it good for? Swing trading is great for those who love their careers, right? If you love your job and you don't want to commit 100% to trading, specifically to day trading, because day trading takes a lot of your time, to tell you the truth. We'll focus on day trading in a bit in the next lesson. So if you love your career, if you love your job, maybe you're running a successful business and you're an entrepreneur, as a CEO, making a lot of capital, right? And you love your job, you love your business. So again, you might not want to commit 100% to trading, but you want to make your money work for you, right? So swing trading is also part-time. It's more of a part-time approach, because literally you will break down your charts on a Sunday, as an example. So Sunday, Saturday, Monday, really at the beginning of the week or at the end of the week, you will do your long-term analysis and decide what kind of setups you're waiting for. Make your analysis, plan your setups, and at that point will exactly know when that setup will be occurring, whether it be a week from now or a month from now, right? And then you just wait. You literally just wait till it occurs. And this is what I mean by part-time trading, because you don't have to be on the charts every single day or with even multiple hours within that day, like day trading, like you would have to with day trading. With day trading, you have to be there all the time, right? Not 24/7, but you got to be there daily. Swing trading, you got to be there weekly, right? And then you just got to monitor the trades or the setups until they actually present themselves, and then you got to execute, right? But again, that could take a week, a month to develop, right? And then once you execute, it could take anywhere from a week to 3 months to play out until it hits your profit target or you exit the position, right? It's also great for when you're traveling the world, right? If you're traveling and you're bouncing around from country to country, day trading could be really, really hard to do. You know, I spent a few years traveling the world. I've been bouncing around from country to country to country. And whenever I traveled, it's really hard to day trade. I've day traded, right, the entire time. But I focused more on my hybrid approach, which I'll talk about later, which is kind of a combination of day trading and swing trading, right? But I want to be more passive. I want to, specifically when I'm traveling, I don't want to be on the computer throughout the day, right? I want to explore. I want to see the world. I want to see the country or the city that I'm visiting, right? So I'm only going to be focusing on the epic, really good setups that are playing out on the higher time frames, right? So I can really step back from the charts and relax, right? So that's what swing trading is good. Long-term trading, part-time trading is great for if you love your career, running successful business. Maybe you don't want to commit all of your time to day trading, so you want to do this part-time, right? And maybe you're also traveling the world, or you will be traveling the world, so part-time trading is great for that. So that's an introduction to swing trading. Like I said, later, once you go through the rest of the masterclass, there's going to be a whole swing trading section that will focus more on the technical analysis and so on, how to actually plan a swing trade. But for now, I just want you to kind of think about, this is what swing trading is. It's more of a part-time approach. The trades will take longer to develop, anywhere from a week to 3 months, right? Same thing, you will also be waiting for those trades for them to occur for about a week, maybe even a month, right? So it's more of a part-time approach. That's it for this introduction. I think you have enough information to kind of figure out where you fit in, whether you want to focus on swing trading or whether you will want to focus on day trading. In the next lesson, we'll focus on day trading. So I'll talk about day trading at that point. So that is it for this lesson on long-term trading and swing trading, the part-time approach to trading. In the next lesson, we'll talk about day trading. See you there.